students for proof of citizenship and collect data on students who can't provide that proof. Teachers say they worry the bill will cause students to stay out of school in fear.
I feel very strongly that we're educators and not immigration agents. And our job is not to check papers, but our job is to grade students' papers.
And both bills are sponsored by Senate President Russell Pierce and cleared the Senate Appropriations Committee last week. Neither Pierce or other backers of the bill would comment for this story.
Well, it's frustrating some teachers. Many are concerned about school spending here in Arizona's classrooms. We're talking about the money the state spends on teacher pay and other costs of educating our kids. In 10 years of keeping track, that amount has never been less. The Auditor General's office says 55.9% of school operating dollars were spent in the classroom during the 2009-2010 school year, and that's down from a peak of 58.6% early last decade. The report suggests districts are illegally diverting sales tax money designated for classroom costs.
After a rough couple of